Mema akwaba emfa umbraga na nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching.
Yema John Dramani Mahama enko tetem. En minimum ye say John Dramani Mahama no so tena dem din no dwen Ghana ho a. Ebi wa beka but ebetuma ye say omu tu mfutro gu system no ma hwede amanfo actions on beye. And I don't think say John Dramani Mahama ebesa aka ne ho ntam say osan babiem. Kwame A+ no ne Kwame A+ no say John Mahama mamu a na bra gbapem. Tie obi bia okole sa yi ni nane omo a ofidi wom. Uri hwe womo otomo omudie womo omeme musika womo wahye omso mu ni nkwase asem no sa nkofo no nko na ekole se so omra tetem because se ofiri ho kwa sa nkofo na no aduane abo chance ombenya obayi na abom ti sa nkofo no de kwa me A+ the way se Mahama firi kunya so na the end of the career is finished. Enti sa afo no omo be pese Mahama ntraso bia another yi na wanya bia be 8 years ya e de agimi ne ho the person onye bia no re wo de anya but in sranke nyame say de wo dwe nya nipa ni adwene and minim ye say NDC for the fifi ko taken enye fifi ko tenku ana odwen sa adwene no ye wo nyansafo na titiri wo party ni mo so dwen say de fifi ko tedwen no and minim ye say John Dramani Mahama will never ever make this attempt because if he make this attempt either say on one kasa obehre ne nkwa either say na ebusua obehre omo nkwa said the nua Ibrahim Mahama abrabo bra ne de omanye sika twitwi de omawie omanye sika abiebie onwuma nyina no minim ye say John Dramani Mahama will never make this attempt because o make attempt ya amanfo be shi Ibrahim Mahama duma na for sure people will gather straight to Ibrahim Mahama fee. People will gather and go straight to John Mahama. Ye won grofo a baseya on attention never call omo ye titiri no and intim o man no e be destroy bibia and look go and see how if I say despite no go tell my body system no hwe nyuma na dem obi na within short obi 4 years e see enfen kan ho a enfan so de bia mma emfi nwotwe no wentimi enfa anya hwe na another 4 years le mana yede nya bese no wachina se John Mahama dwini ni Ibrahim Mahama ho se sika no ma wiya no ye enough so mbetimi survive dia he should never ever make any move bia na mom wontre baby se office obi na all twetwe na ba beboa ana office obetena chiri no one sponsor obi a that is it is absolutely more than 10,000%. Na yenko he sofo no mbi na wo mo ya mambofo wo mo di nyame din epe basabasa se wo ye sofo na tie nkwase asem asebe wo de muntie sebe mesi afie we 2026 esimi mi ni obi atem ba sofo we e deserve say ye ne nanum kura because wajimi mo me nko se sofo me kana asem no na wo wi a wo ankasa conclude ye ka atropa de nipa party siesi ye ntrase mfo mo ntro mu nipa so ne mfempa tumi a obie no a odumtwa fifi kote entina maka se meka no meka ne mienu se ye na dwene mu kan na o kan ye right thing dia eni nyame nhia no na emu se ye propaganda na obe enipa ni so na obetu ogum na later wasa be pretend dia nyame be se tio no so ka na emu oka wise bi wo mu a mehu se odwene oman no ho opon se wo ye NDC ni na eniye bi a NDC fo ye ya na enye etitrasem basabasa mo je hwego fifi kote ya target say onom nsanti sometimes man for funny say wabo but this kind of way say okay no any nsem okay no say wabumpa it was more than obi a onom nsan because all that he is saying is right say o magana di wani mu kan dan wo dwen Ghana ho a o nsore me kan kire say John Dramani Mahama ensan medi president wabodam one ya to ba mani pan afi ba akokra enyam afi na mfansa afini afini aba no ye hu ade bia nipa na ye but ye koda sori no pa na be ye ai ye headman wo ba because wachi MPP ni bi friend say wuntumi wachi edubu ahe wachi nkrofo bi but meanwhile wasan jan nkrofo so mo ye omambofo wo manum wajawo so mo nko wo mo madi sika twetwiri die no wajawo mu na so mu nko or the amnesty say then apam mu na so mu nko jo ma home mu nko enjoy even though wo prison crowd wa ko yi na sabe ma the post e try wo say we bad leader but because of say all teaching crofo bi ntino na engrophobia hi unso bo man we hi in personal and I say what any pan in personal mama why what any pan in personal and I na hi in personal ntino e ka no nko na nke nipa nda bia wo de gem nti ba sa no mani age enu nti sa afo no ama na anum nso be kwetena radio station bi a TV station bi say omo be ka bo my demonstration atia njo Mahama say mom o memma ntrimu da say okọ one time meanwhile constitution na oman ye na ye de adwuma ne say obi enko two terms almighty Lawrence and enimi so ye triasem ne enimi so ye soja ban enu nti ebeye din so obegye atum gura so obeso rekonya so no ye to aba 8 years ma Lawrence esore peace ekoye okotrase John Mahama abedini baako ana no man kwaye ni asade na ba oba wi a ni mfie nwotwe na so bibie ni ho e ma ne kwan se onsan so ya amendment impose bia o change constitution kwa na ne time we enka ho next time ne beba no ana wo sa access to do that enti sade we am kan ndaro emo we num na ekoso o man we won za aboa no Ibrahim fa ono bara ben Fifi kote eye party ba. He's never ever thinking about this. And this kind of people, and they owo. Na minimum no, we were a scammer. Omo ye scammers ni bia na ode awate asoro no. Or a full scammer. This guy, young guy, 30 something years, very very rich. Who is out now no? Full scammer. Na osin abutrika. Je say abutrika na nye fast and fast so asoro na mewurase. Ana we wire smart ana odi asoro oto we me say anomata krakra wo hu ye odina ho na wo kan kwasem wo hu ye bra John the man Mahama bedi ade no oka omo a we oka usu bempa group no ho we oka usu bempa na jegeze fence yi kumchacha ene wo mom go share yi no oka sa group no ho ye sa group ni bia how do you expect so babeka na tinkwa asem oka na tie agimi sem ewom in spiritual realm no ko meeting no or say heavens tini yo aka say heaven you must TV video ni bi heavens heaven no so you heavens heaven do say ne heavens atnase aka say aso abodam we eyen komse heavens atnase aka say John the man Mahama or 8 years. Why are there? Heavens, I can say 8 years and patrol 4 years. And I was starting the 4 years. Into 8 years now, can heavens, I can say 8 years. Heavens, I can say 12 years. Say heavens, I can say 12 years. Yeah, and then can be heavens, and you shine back. Look at this. Over here. Young guy. He said, "Me say, nyamesuna, nyamia anso nipa kuma on."
And I was a Canadian colonel a campaign my NDC say and $1 bafum and I casa agitated to win $1 bafum. The video number there to so much. And NDC near a canacola and age like I say, Mummy and Canocre out of forcing and I had dear and they are praising NDC. Ye nim second support ye NDC for. Na see a two but we know or repertoire or beko NDC. We don't care. The new patriotic parties are stand firm. Ye near money on to 2 years. Ye general secretary nyade, ye organizer nyade, the odi also nyade, be a nyade ni ejai, a sympatapa, and no nam and ye the opposoi. The ending a shadi. Ye 2 election, ye 2 Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, ye 2 sir presidential election we MPP ma. Ye beshe they will scrutinize the party. Ni general secretary or banos or noising. Enche, I'm never done.
Yes. Aha. Yakwaji bibi kakra rebeka so bi. But the prophecy I make ho asem no. And the prophecy of chaos. The prophecy of a friend is saying enipa bewu during the MPP primaries no. And no asem na making. And even before the Christmas no, na sa prophecy na di kaba. And the sign e repeating home. In fact, most of the pastors a meti say omo professor about MPP no professor about primaries no can say MPP for anhwe yi a down beto about 31st no emoja be hwe egu it should be of concern to NPP for especially the election management team and election committee no as I say a year of concern to them and bibi besi nyina no munim baby also munim baby ebe fraba. Look, Dr. Bawumia threatened that said this election bibi abesi because obi anim say enya na character no menti say kwabere Japan a threaten say election way do or die nipa bewu se ma anye say ya menti say Dr. Brian Champon aka in fact Dr. Brian Champon po de waka say wo call election na ma wa create some bi na hunahuna wa and I go don friend boogeyman no wa create boogeyman bi she baby na wo di hunahuna nkrofo na ehunahuna wa mu a except party ni careful of such boogeymen in the party because me can we can say but na can Japan there we can clearly say election day no and then the besi no be so ko wi abamu na enti and there so to trust them bad they should talk to him. And I'm also calling on Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Echita for say they shouldn't take this election for granted. They shouldn't take this election on a silver platter. They shouldn't take say police for Beho. Yes, indeed, policemen no more Ablukumanov. In fact, they were there in their numbers. By a bo MPP Echita for power. Ya boha kumsi ntieti na yase na police for jina ho. In fact, the police people, some of them no mukita camera no mucha. Na be patanto kwa police for yes. In fact, in the 2024 election, NDC, police headquarters, Ewo Tetima in South, divisional headquarters, and yet district 2, divisional headquarters, Ewo Tetima in South, and on the collation center, NDC for Koho, Eko Bu, Nipa, SS police station in police for me and you be ashe. So Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and the team no. Sa threat na efi honorable kan Japan camp na ba bibi besi and na obodo pa obi pa on time ye besi wo ho no election day ni ayi no they shouldn't take it for granted because man hwe yi a emoja so be hwe agu ampa na moja be hwe agu a munim ba bibi fi aba because nipa num na echo election no obi akasa ya asundwe kasa ba ko pe na all threaten party ni nyina na all threaten said there beto aba no bibi besi so we wini a bibi besi so obi wiam a bibi besi so bi say a bibi besi enti party mpanifo they should take sad a friend of judicial notice so we a political notice so they should take note of that enti enkom say ba nyina no na sad ni
okay bushafo and made a quick one. We mention me combine 2 videos a boom. Ya papa was a kwame despite na Same Jamfi. Same Jamfi ma menka se mention quick one. Me catch on be video maybe say wo NPP be ba power no be them. But o performance within 9 months now, 1 year no, I may who say what twem a Jamestown prison. Wo dey in someone kura what twem was. I mean in 9 months with me a Ghana for $214 million. Ya can when you no person we ya can be. Same $214 million US. I can about to good board. Same Jamfi 9 months 1 year pay my. That's a dollars now the ma agrada ni na bi kan. Dollars now the good come na man na watch check. It within short time no $214 million what they are saying. Same what can we Ghana for? $214 million. That's why you to the idea over them. Yes, I did next year, any other years now. Can you want to pay crab fast or better cover says canashim? The idea of my girlfriends, I don't to iPhone, man, any idea. But says can buy $214 million an audio. Now, good board budget cry, they got to home. I think that was around $270 million. Says you cannot buy the mouth. What Bomuka $214 million? The next is can't buy the money. We didn't say no. You calculation better Ghana for say. And then what imagine foreign exchanging but Ghana for Horman Tiasia. The woman nana say $270 million in the man. No tono a cotton. It's equaneba so fellow catan, aqua crack, no back mass, aqua crack, no back mass, aqua crack, no back mass, now top petrol boom. na ukoba at the end of the year and car na ye adwuma sen a osimaboka $240 million. It petrol do autoye no and it's $3 billion no can wasem. But in faso onya na de $214 million ka no boy. This a car na adama am je fi so onya adwuma ka auto fuel $3 billion. And all year adwuma boka $214 million. Very simple explanation. It's Ghana for so most had need too many year more answer. Manuel Siwa. Afi papa despite. Or say kwame despite. Respect to be brave. Many aji say ne oba out be kasai. Na me hu say sebu ukita komapa. Na e man na attack wona wudi me kapa pontin no. O man ba attack ukeke. Hu say multimedia wo ho. Enter FM wo ho. Radio stations be Ghana. I didn't know despite nko be attack wo. Because incrophobia wa employ mu egu despite media ho no. Asamu ba. Se do musika sa no obeka se omu ni obi okasa kire mo adwuma mu. Emi be na me fia so se ga be didi watem poto because akwa ba kwa no watu ani tika kaka so agye adwuma yi. Akwese boaje. Nsem bi okeka fa fia so ne ga ho ema obedidi watem because when so obedi watem dia obete. The same thing ena akwese boaje kuro ya any kwabnamafo kwame nkumati kese MCI ye boa mu kwame timati kese timi tra o ka se papa shi abodam o wa se mwe ya ho papa shi ye bodam fo the same radio station ya so kwabnamafo kotena so no kama me akosua se wa ho asempoto na wana o yare on tra ho na ho na befa kasa mami ho poto MCI aboa any Samu United Showbiz one day. Obaka say, just say, one was small, say, Momma Cassan would do bruni, mame say one who fee.